Hey everyone, welcome to Soy Anime. My room is, you see my backdrop in the back. But anyway, I'm just gonna do makeup for like 5 minutes, just upload to the channel in general. But I do have some Christmas gifts that I got from my friend, which is this Sailormoon colourpop palette. You see, so cute. And actually, I'm wearing it right now, if you can see. Right. So I'm wearing both right now. So I have this one, which is a little bit color to it. This is the Sailormoon. Can you see it? Probably not, because you can't read backwards. Anyway, this is the Sailormoon colourpop one. It doesn't really have a color. Oh, it's ultra blotted lip. So this is really good. And I like this lip gloss because a little bit of pop. I like the gloss look. I haven't wore lip gloss in a while since I was like a kid. So I was thinking the lip gloss is popping song once I got it. So yeah. And then I got this other gift, which is this, which is so cute, right? Anyway, my friend Angela gave it to me, so shout out to Angela. And then they have this, like, all these colors in it. Look at it. And sorry if my room looks weird because I'm not in the usual backdrop, but it's because I'm cleaning up my room and I just got like some new clothes in, hence this nice shirt. Anyway, but this is cool, like a nice cuteness. So I'm gonna just use it. It didn't come. The thing that I hate about it, doesn't come with a little like brush, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna just use some of the gold today. I have a really cute outfit on anyway, so maybe I'll upload it afterwards. But I'm just gonna use my finger for now. And I'm not a makeup channel, so sorry if you came here from makeup like at the best of the expertise. But I do love makeup, so yeah. And since I don't have a wand right now and I'm leaving in like 10 minutes, I'm just gonna use this and then shape it out and do like a 10-minute makeup YouTube talk in general. But anyway, I love Sailormoon and I love my Christmas presents. If you want to see how my Christmas vacation went, which is like an isolated Christmas vacation where I spent alone in the cabin with some friends, well, one friend and like my mom, my brother, who people I see on average anyway, because me and my friend, we work together, so like I see her regardless. Man, I don't have a brush. Like, it would be so easy to have a brush in here. You know what? I wear glasses. People go look like that. Look up to me. And also, I had learned about BB cream or baby skin cream, whatever, the primer, like earlier this like 2 weeks ago. So I had bought some, and so I'm gonna just put some primer on. I don't know what primer's supposed to do. I think it's supposed to help if you wear foundation or something. But someone told me you can wear primer on a daily basis and it reduces like your pores or something. I don't know. It feels like I'm wearing Vaseline on my face, to be honest. So I don't know how it's supposed to feel. And like, oh. I was never the girl that wore like makeup in high school, so I started wearing makeup late in life, like in my 20s, which I'm still in my 20s now, but you know what I'm saying. Like I started wearing it really late, so I don't even know half the stuff is. Oh wait, yeah, did I show you the cover of this? Look, it's like a hologram. Oh, you can't see the hologram, but this is what the actual cover is, and then this is how it looks in the box. So it's really cute though. I like it. So, and also I got these really cute earrings. Actually, I can show you guys my earring haul, because my earring haul was like really cute, but I think I do that in a different, like I bought it from this one website and it is so cute. Like they have such cute earrings. Like I have like cow earrings, I have like I don't know, other earrings. Like I don't know, just really cool earrings, and I'll show you guys in a minute, but let me finish this. Oh no, I just like, I wish I could draw my eyebrows on, but all I do is use the back end of the brush. I use eyeshadow to draw my eyebrows on when I don't have it, because I haven't been out to buy a pencil. And it's not like people are going to see, oh my god, these eyebrows are not even. I'm used to doing this in the mirror, not a camera, so this is why it's going to be a little bit uneven. I think I'll do a separate video, but I'll show you some of the earrings I bought in a moment, because it is so cute. I'm sorry, I had to concentrate and I need to get my eyebrows. So the pandemic, right, has set me back a lot because all the stuff I wanted to do beauty-wise this year has not happened. Like, I need to get my eyebrows shaped, but like, I'm not going out to a mall where people are at to do that. You know, like my mom, she works at a mall as a security guard, so she's there all the time, and so she tell me all the crazy stories and stuff. And she just told me someone caught COVID at her job, and I'm like, I'm not coming to visit you at work. But she wasn't there during that time, so I don't know. They said that they're taking precautions though. But I'm just saying, like, I don't want to go to a mall. That's like where you probably catch COVID from the people. They wear masks there, but it's just like, you know, people aren't like sanitized, you know, like people be touching things, you know, like, I don't know how to explain it, like, you know, people will touch any and everything. It's good enough. I wear glasses, so I'm like, is this like even enough? Like this one I like because it's a little bit more pronounced, but the other side is just not. I hate that. I hate when I have to do symmetry sometimes because it will like. Oh well. I'll be wearing a mask the whole day, so it's like, who cares? I wish I had a pencil so I could just like outline it a little bit. I have my makeup bag somewhere. Whatever. But as I was saying, I was gonna show you guys my earring haul in a minute. Sorry, I'm cleaning my glasses so I can put them on. Yeah. So it's not that bad. Usually my eyebrows get covered by my glasses anyway. But let me show you some of my earrings. Okay, so this are some of the earrings I got, and then these right here, I love these. See these? These are some cool earrings, right? I should wear it with this outfit. See, I was debating on these, so like I have like the sun and the moon earrings today. Hold on, let me show you. And I will probably do another video on that because I just love these earrings. Anyway, so see? Look cute. And I got it all from this nice shop. But I don't know if their price is going to stay this low because, you know, it was like, I got it, you know, when they had all these sales. Like this. So I have like the sun and the moon earrings right here. Which is cool, but I feel like it may not match this outfit. And it's not like I'm going out to any place. I'm just going to like my office real quick, which I like, you know, there's only 2 people there, and like and it's just me and my brother, to be honest, at my office, so it's not that far. But we just gotta water the plants. That's the only thing that's been terrible during the pandemic, because I have to consistently leave my house to water plants. And I know people are gonna be like, just bring them home. It's so many plants. Like I live with my parents while also trying to start a business. And so like, my dad will not allow me to bring home all those plants because he was just, you know, my dad is a stickler for space. And I don't think he'll allow me to do that. I'm putting on gel. Like I have some eco styling gel right now. I'm just like trying to put it on to lay down my hair a little bit. To brush it down a little bit, that's all, before I go out, you know, because I bought some new clothes from like this place called, like I bought the same place I bought these earrings from. I got from like this other place, the same place, and like I got like this cute like skirt right here. I don't know if you can see it. And also like I got a lot of plaid for some reason, and I had like, it just came in today, so like you may see like, I don't know if you can't see it, but like I have like plaid skirt. And the shirt, you know, I have red plaid on, which is really cute if you can see, like a red plaid dress. So, skirt. So, yeah, that's how I'm dressed today, you know. But I just wanted to give, like, shout out to my friend for giving me this colourpop palette. These are so cute, though. Like, I love the way my lips look in this. You know what? It sucks because I'm wearing a mask the whole time, so who's going to see my lips? No one, okay? Only you guys get to see my lips, and I know this is creepy because you might be first time coming to the channel. Also, maybe creepy because you might be a long time subscriber. But you know what? This is cute, and I don't know how much this is. I was just really thankful for it. And then she said I got another palette, so I might do another video about that. But I just want to do a little video before I go water plants in the midst of a pandemic, because the plants can't live without water. So other than that, see you guys. Peace.